Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide on how to unbox your robot. My name is Anna and I will show you how it's done. First of all, congratulations with your new flowbot 1. You will receive it in a box looking like this, with screws on the top and on the bottom. You will need to use a 20 tucks in order to unscrew them. When finishing unscrewing the screws, you can remove the lid. This is a two-person job and I have Jørgen here helping me. It can be a good idea to remove this part of the foam first before removing the sides. Now you gently pull up the sides. From the box, you place the robot on your table, and then we need to remove the foam inside. First, you pull up the front lid. Inside the foam, there are a trash can, user manuals, and all different kinds of things hidden in here. To remove the foam, we need to pull out this side part here on the right side of the pipette modules in order to be able to remove them. I pull the pipette modules manually to the right and towards myself. Now I can remove the foam. Like so. That's it. Now you know how to unpack your robot.